This lesson will very quickly cover French present participles. The present participle for French verbs is formed by removing the on ending from their new present tense form, and then we add ont to this stem. So for the verb parler, we remove on to give us the stem parle, and to this we add ont, giving us the present participle parlant. For choisir, we remove the on from choisissons to give us the stem choisis. We then add ont to this stem, giving us the present participle choisissons. For vendre, we remove the on from its new present tense form, giving us the stem vendre. We then add ont to this stem, giving us the present participle vendant. And that is all you need to know about French present participle formation. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.